involves in proteins. The first one is life cycle needs. In a person's life, it comes to life cycle. While from birth, from marriage ceremony to the death, in every place, people need money, and it cannot be unseen. So microfinance provides loan for this purpose also. The next one is personal emergencies. Some emergencies may occur at any time. The bank procedure to provide loan is very long and has very many procedures. But the process of microfinance is really less, and loan can be provided very easily. The next one is disasters. Disasters like earthquake in other countries, like volcanic eruptions and etc. can take place at any time. So microfinance helps them to overcome this problem. Investment opportunities. Microfinance helps in investment opportunities for the poor and economically, socially backward people of the country. So here are some strengths and weaknesses of microfinance. As we know, microfinance has a lot of importance and very much advantages in the life of people who are from socially background people, mainly targeted to the women of the villages. So these strengths or advantages is uplifting of social, economical and economically background people of the country. Easy loan provided. As we know, bank has long procedure and a lot of days people should wait to take loan. Whereas in microfinance, the procedure is really easy than compared to the bank. The target market is the poor people or the people whose income is really less. They want to do something in their life, do a business, but don't have sufficient amount of income or a source of money to do the business. Loan without collateral. Bank requires collateral basis to give loan, to provide loan to the people or the customers, but microfinance does not require collateral, and without that they give loan. Some of the weaknesses of microfinance are inadequate research. Research in microfinance is not done so much adequately as bank and other institutions do. More focus on microfinance from the government. Government focuses more on microfinance and how to subsidize the goods rather than in other important sectors like education sector, health sector. These every basic needs will be also improved as they have improved in microfinance. High charge on repayment rate. The repayment rate of microfinance is high compared that to the loan of bank provided. Microfinance are more confused on being improved welfare or financial sustainability. Microfinance, they are confused whether they have to be sustain the financial, increase the profit, or as to work as a welfare for the society. Collateral not required. One of the weaknesses of microfinance is collateral not required. In this case, many of the microfinance have been insolvented due to the collateral. Collateral was not required in the while providing loan. By this, the microfinance has more gone into insolvency.